Today we will be dealing with ecological pyramids. Now, what is ecological pyramid? It is in ecology. This is one of the basic chapters here. In ecological pyramids, we will be dealing with the ecological or interaction between all the individual biotic components with relation to their food chain. So, what is ecology? It's a relationship exists between So, ecological pyramid is nothing but it is a relationship which exists between the individuals of the biotic components and with the reference to their food chains. Now, as we earlier said, what is food chain? It is a continuous process of eating and being eaten. Now, here in ecological pyramid, this relationship between the producers, the biotic individuals of biotic components and at the different trophic levels from producers, consumers and carnivores or top consumers, primary consumers, secondary consumers and tertiary consumers, right. So, this type of relationship is represented in a graphical manner, and this graphical presentation of the interrelationship between the individuals of biotic component and food chain is called as ecological pyramid. So, this appearance will be in the form of a pyramid. So, that is why it is the name given producers, consumers, primary consumers, secondary consumers and tertiary consumers, right. So, this flow of relationship between the biotic component and the respective food chains at different food levels. So, this graphical presentation which is in the form of a pyramid is called as ecological pyramid. Now, this ecological pyramid was first studied by Charles Elton in the year 1927. It was first studied by Charles Elton in 1927, hence it is also called as Charles Elton pyramid, or it is also called as Eltonian pyramids. The name otherwise is also called as Eltonian pyramids, right. Now, here the pyramids which are there, the pyramids basically, when in ecological point of view, they are divided into three types. The first pyramid is called as pyramid of number. Second is pyramid of biomass, and third one is pyramid of energy. So, basically ecological pyramid is categorized into three types: pyramid of number, biomass and pyramid of energy. Okay. Now, in detail, in some cases in forest, this pyramid of number may be either erect, upright, or it may also be in inverted position, right. So, in some cases, for example, pyramid of energy is there. It is almost in all the ecosystem you will see the presence of upright pyramid. In biomass, you will see the either in the spindle form or it is in the inverted form, and here you can see both the upright form, spindle form, as well as in some cases inverted form. So, in detail we will study individually what at different ecosystem what type of pyramids are there. Okay. So, first we will deal with pyramid of number.